Okay, my name is welcome to Stability Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson Mitsamba, and in today's video we are continuing with the concept and more about the question concerning money. Last time we were able to look at a multiplication of money. We looked at the practices. Also looked at division of money. Also looked at practices. So in today's video, we shall particularly be handling questions on buying and selling. That's all about shop what? Shop bills. And also price what? Price list. This gives our learners a very hard task for them to deal with questions. But in today's video, we shall be able to see when you're given a table form and they extract questions, sometimes becomes hard for our learners to pick out the information of the information needed for them to answer the questions. Okay, now into so they always give examples in this form. Our learners, please, before you attempt any question, be able to read here in the table. They tell you items, you read the items, what are those items that are given. Then you also read their prices. In here, you shall be able to see here if they have given you items. In our items here, let us read them and understand. They are saying 1 bar of soap, its price is what? Is 1,000. Then they okay, please do not comment basing on the current price. You can in the comment section and indicate and show us. But what is important is to understand the concept. So here they are saying 1 kilogram of sugar is at 100. Then maize flour is at 1,000. 1,000 of salt is 400. Then an egg, that means 1, is 1. Okay, so now after reading and understanding this, you now know 1 bar of soap according to the table it is 1,000. Then 1 kilogram of sugar according to the table it is 1,800. An egg according to the table is 150. All right. So now let's see the questions that are given basing and how you can extract the information from this. We can how we have we have got the info that 1,000 then an egg is 150. So you can use now that answer the questions that is going to be asked. Okay, so let's look at our question A. What you have to understand, you have to go back Now here when they talk about the bar of soap, you also come back to the table. That how they are trying to involve the multiplication, they have involved the addition, they have involved the subtraction. Alright, so that means please, when you are still having some challenges on addition, subtraction, multiplication of money, please be able to go down and check out on our playlist. All those videos have been so let's find this question. Okay, we are saying find the total cost of 3 kilogram of what? Of sugar. They are talking about what? Sugar. Right. So when you come to the column of sugar, here we have sugar is 1,800. 1,800. They want us to find the cost of 3 kilogram of sugar. That means in our practice here we have okay, this is going to be our what? Our working. Okay, it's going to be our what? Our working. I'm going to abbreviate this. It's going to be our working. We are saying 1 kilogram of sugar. Okay, 1 kg. 1 kilogram of sugar is equal to 1 kilogram. Let me write 1 kilogram sugar. 1 kilogram sugar is equal to 1,800. Okay, 1,000 what? 800. So here they want us to find the cost of what? The cost of 3 kilogram of what? 3 kilogram of what? 3 kilogram of sugar. Okay, 3 kilogram of sugar. Then this is going to be equal to our 1,800. Okay, don't mind about the writing. Please, for you be able to write it very well. So here they want us to find 3 kilogram of sugar is going to be equal to the 1 kilogram of sugar, which is equal to 1,800 times what? Times 3. For us to get the cost of 3 what? 3 kilogram. Okay, so here shall be able to get our 0, and here we shall be able to get our 0. Then 3 times 8, what is 3 times 8? And say 3 times 8, this is 8 3 times. 8 times 8 2 times, that is 16. 8 times 3, that is 16 and 24. Alright, so here I shall be able to write our 4. Shall be able to write our what? Our 4. And say 3 times 1, which is 3, then plus what? Plus the 2. Okay, 3 plus 2 shall be able to get our 5. So we can see we should have been able to get our 3 kilogram of sugar is costing 5,400. Alright, so let's also go to another question, because this was our what? Our A. This was our part what? Our part A of the question. Let's go to our part B. Our part B of the question. Our part B of the question should be equal to, what do they want in our part B of the question? They are saying, if Alan bought 4 kilograms of maize flour, 4 kilograms of what? 4 kilograms of maize flour and 1 bar of soap. Let's look at 4 kilograms of maize flour. How much is a kilogram of maize flour? Maize flour, it is here. They are saying 1 kilogram is equal to 1,200. 1,200, and also a bar of soap is 1,000. So let's look at here. They want us to find what? Alan bought 4 kilograms of maize flour and 1 bar of soap. Then here we shall be able to see 1 kg of 1 kilogram is going to be our working or solution. Okay, solution is going to be equal to 1 kilogram, 1 kg, 1 kg of maize what? Of maize flour, 1 kilogram of maize flour, 1 kilogram of maize flour is equal to 1,200. Okay, 1,200. So for the 4 kilogram, 4 kg, 4 kilogram, okay, 4 kilogram will be equal to this 1,200 times 4. Okay, times what? Times 4. Then here we shall be able to come up with our what? With our answer. So here we shall be having a 0 and a 0 here. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. Then 4 times 2, our answer shall be equal to 8. Okay, then we say 4 times 1 is the same as 4. So that means we shall be able to get our 4 kilogram as what? As 4,800. Okay, let's see, and we get our 1 kilogram. They talked about sugar and soap. So here you can say 1 kg or 1 kilogram of what? 1 kilogram of soap. Okay, this is soap. Okay, let's see what they are asking about. 1 kilogram of 1 bar of soap. This is a bar of soap, not kilogram. Okay, 1 bar of soap. This is 1 what? 1 bar of soap. Let me first remove this to be clear. Okay, this is what? This is 1 bar of what? 1 bar of soap. Okay, this is what? This is a bar of what? A bar of soap. So what did we say a bar of soap is? It is 1,000. Okay, 1 what? 1,000. Okay, 1,000 shillings. Alright, so now let's look at what did they want. They are saying if Alan bought 4 kilograms of maize flour and 1 bar of soap, how much money did she pay? So this means want how much money was Alan be able to pay. Then we shall be able to see the money she was able to pay. She was able to pay the 4 kilograms of of maize flour and the 1 bar of soap. That means she was able to pay. So here we can say her pay was we get our 4,000, okay, 800, 4,800, then plus 1,000, okay, plus 1 what? Plus 1,000, as you are seeing. So here we just add and we shall be able to get our 5,800, 5,008 what? 8, 5,800, okay? Or you can write it very well, more than me. 5,000 what? 5,800. Okay, so that is our part what? Our part B. Let's look at another question. What did they want? They are saying calculate the cost of 1 bar of soap, 1 kg of sugar, 1 kg of flour, and then 1 packet of salt. Now here they want to get they want you to get the what? They want you to get the cost of 1 bar of soap, sugar, then 1 kg of flour, then 1 packet. So this question requires you to come back here. They are talking of 1 bar of soap, which is 1,000, 1 kg of this, which is 1,800, maize flour, which is 1,200, then this, which is 400. So then have they talked about an egg? Okay, have they talked about an egg? Have they talked about an egg? No. So this means in this we shall be able to calculate to get the money for a bar of soap. Okay, a bar of soap which is 1,000. Okay, which is 1,000. Let me calculate it from here. Bar of soap which is 1,000. Okay, I talk about sugar, which is sugar is what? 1,800. Okay, 1,008 what? 800. They talk about maize flour, which is 1,200. Okay, 1,000 what? 200. Then they have talked about this. What is it? They have talked about a packet of what? Packet of salt. Okay, here they are talking about this packet of what? We have 1 bar of soap, which is there, sugar, flour, which is there, this. So here they just only want us to make addition of what? Of this money. Okay, where here we shall be having our 0, and add 0 plus 0, all are zeros. When add this 8 plus 2, 10, this is 14, we write 4 and carry 1. This is what? This is 3, 5. Okay, so we can see we have been able to get that. Okay, this is what? Okay, this is 4. Okay, this is not 5, please. This is 4. This is 4. Let me remove this. This is what? This is 4. Because we are able to say 8 plus 2, 4. 8 plus 2, that is 10. Plus 4, that is 14. Right? 4 carry 1. So this is going to be what? This is going to be 4. Okay. So you can see on that he was able to spend 4,400. Then what is another question requiring? They say find the total expenditure if one buys all the items. Okay, now here they want us to find the total expenditure if one buys all the what? All the 4 items. When you buy all the 4 items, that means you shall be able to get the total amount here. This if one buy all the items, 1 bar of soap, 1 bar of sugar, 1 bar of this. That means on this money of ours, the one we have got there, we shall be able to do this. Okay, this money that we have got, which is for 4,400. Okay, 4,400. We add 150 for the cost of what? Of an egg. Okay, so when I add, this is going to be that. This is going to be 5. It's going to be 4. Okay, so you can see this is the total of what? Of all the items, because here they are saying if find the total expenditure if one buys all the items. Okay, so all the items are, when you add this money all, it's going to give you this money. Okay, it's going to give you this money. All right, so we have been able to solve out our question. This question involves the multiplication, it involves the addition, it involves the division. It has not involved division. You see, we can solve the concept of how we can measure or count, subtract or multiply or divide. Be covered with this real life. Please be able to learn more about this in our real life, especially when you are helping our parents, when you are helping our brothers, our uncles, our fathers in there, when we are even sharing the money. Okay, be able to check out on our playlist for more upcoming lessons and subscribe for you to get upcoming lessons. Okay, for this I do say thank you very much. Have a good moment.